Did you know one small habit can reduce hundreds of plastic items every year? Let us save our planet together. Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you 10 easy eco-friendly habits that you can start today to help protect the earth. Number 1. Use a reusable bottle. Avoid plastic bottles and switch to reusable one. Number 2. Say no to plastic bag. Carry cloth or reusable shopping bag. Number 3. Save electricity. Turn off lights and fan when not in use. Number 4. Save water. Turn off the tap while brushing. Number 5. Recycle waste. Separate dry and waste properly. Number 6. Use public transport. Use buses or train instead of car. Number 7. Avoid single-use plastic. Say no to straw, cups and disposal item. Number 8. Plant trees. Plant at least one tree every year. Number 9. Use eco-friendly products. Choose natural and sustainable products. Number 10. Spread awareness. Educate others and share eco-friendly idea. Which habit will you start today? Let me know in the comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more eco-friendly tips. Let us save our planet together.